Top 10 things to do in Hungary right now. Today, we're diving into the heart of Hungary, a country where every corner tells a story, and the paprika is always a little too spicy. Buckle up for a journey to Hungary, the land of goulash so good it'll make you want to do the chicken dance. And trust me, you'll regret nothing. We're going to explore the top 10 things to do in Hungary right now. But before we dive into this goulash-licious adventure, let's spice things up with some mind-blowing facts and slightly bonkers facts. Did you know that Hungarians were the OG horse riders, especially on the country's plains, the Puszta? Enter the Psychos, Hungary's cowboy crew, keeping it real with their horse riding skills. They're herding Hungarian gray cattle, and in their wild horse shows, expect some crazy tricks. These gray cattle, only half domesticated, partly wild, and with those massive horns, Széchenyi shows can get intense. The fun tricks? They're rooted in Hungary's history with the Puszta. Fast forward to today, Széchenyi's horses sit like dogs, with riders on their backs for protection, and can even lay flat like stealthy cats. Hungary's Széchenyis aren't just cowboys, they're circus performers of the plains, making history with a wild touch. All right, let's kick things off with a bang. Hungary's got a wild card up its sleeve. It's the thermal water wonderland, and Budapest is the undisputed champ with more hot springs than any other capital worldwide. We're talking Széchenyi, Gellert, and Kirilli baths. These places are like the rock stars of relaxation. But hold on, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Hungary is swimming in over 1,500 thermal spas across the country. It's like the whole nation decided, hey, let's turn up the heat, literally. So when it comes to hot springs, Hungary isn't just dipping its toes. It's doing a cannonball into a pool of thermal awesomeness. Now let's talk about a mind-bending journey into the quirky world of the Rubiks Cube. Brace yourself for this wild twist. Originally dreamed up by the Hungarian architect-sculptor Ernst Rubik, this iconic cube wasn't born as a puzzle. Oh no! Picture this. Ernst whips up the cube, throws it at his students, and says, "Hey, gang, figure out what makes this thing tick." It wasn't about solving colors. It was all about unveiling the cube's mysterious inner workings. Faces? They were all rocking the same color, adding a touch of simplicity to the chaos. So before the Rubik's Cube became the global brain teaser, it was a mind-boggling challenge for Ernst students, making it the ultimate head-scratcher in the most unexpected way. And here's a quirky one for you. Hungary's flag is like a time traveler from 1848, rocking the same three colors. But wait for it. The modern version didn't strut its stuff until October 12, 1957, thanks to the 1956 revolution hiccup. Now get this, the colors aren't just there to look pretty. They've got a story. White, that's Hungary's rivers doing a majestic wave. Green, picture the mountains doing their lush thing. And red? Well, that's a nod to the bloodshed from all those epic battles Hungary's seen. So next time you spot Hungary's flag, know that it's not just a fashion statement, it's a colorful tale of rivers, mountains, and a whole lot of history. And here's a kicker. Hungary takes the name game to a whole new level. Imagine this. You can't just randomly pick a name for your bundle of joy. No, sir, you need a government stamp of approval. They've got this epic list, like a name buffet, but if your dream name isn't on the menu, brace yourself. You have to whip out an approval form and hit up the Research Institute for Linguistics of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences. Yep, it's like getting a name permit. Hungary's not just about goulash. It's also the guardian of your baby's name, making sure it's officially certified and ready for the world. Now that we've got your attention with those crazy Hungary facts, let's get down to business. If you're planning to visit or are in the capital city already and wondering what to do, stick around because we've got the ultimate Hungary itinerary lined up for you. If you have not already done so, we highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, as we will be making videos on all the major countries and cities in the world. Number 1. Our first stop on this delightful adventure? Picture this, a serene drift along the Danube River in Budapest under the sparkling night sky. Why? Because dinner cruises here are not just a meal. They're a rendezvous with Budapest's intimate charm after dark. Now there's an array of options to choose from. Meat dishes, veggie delights, soups, salads, and desserts galore. As you kick back, savoring every bite of delicious Hungarian goodness, the city unveils its treasures. The Parliament Building, Chain Bridge, Buda Castle, and Citadel, all light up just for you. It's not just a dinner cruise, it's a feast for the senses, where live music serenades your taste buds, and every bite comes with a side of breathtaking views. Number 2. Next up, let's take a spin through Budapest's enchanting night vibes with a guided bike tour. It's like seeing the city's stars come out in full force. Picture this, cruising through iconic spots like Heroes Square, Andressy Avenue, and the Budapest Danube waterfront, all bathed in a new kind of glow. Your 3.5-hour joyride is led by these wizard-like guides who spill the beans on Budapest's secrets, from the historic city center to the jaw-dropping Parliament Building. And here's the kicker. You're the captain of this bike ship, free to pedal at your own pace, capturing Insta-worthy moments whenever the mood strikes. Glide past City Park, wave to St. Stephen's Basilica, and roll through Liberty Square. Number 3. Step into the magic of Budapest's nighttime charm with a walking tour that turns the city's historic buildings into a dazzling spectacle. Picture this, strolling through the illuminated streets, soaking in Hungarian history, and getting the lowdown on captivating tales about the city's iconic landmarks. This intimate adventure lets you uncover the secrets of Fisherman's Bastion, marvel at the Buda Hills neighborhoods, and explore the enchanting Buda Castle area. With a knowledgeable guide by your side, Budapest's rich history becomes a captivating story, ready to unfold. Need some tips? They've got you covered, from the best street food joints to the perfect spots for a romantic date. It's not just a walking tour, it's an after-dark exploration, revealing Budapest's nocturnal wonders and leaving you with stories to tell. Number 4. Now, if you're a night owl with a penchant for breathtaking views, hop on one of the many night cruises in Budapest and let the Danube be your guide. Picture this. Every evening, boats gracefully dance along the river, offering a front row seat to Budapest's landmarks dressed in their nightly glamour. And here's the fun part. Take your pick from cruises featuring cocktails, folk melodies, or a sunset spectacle that'll leave you in awe. Oh, and don't worry about the weather. These boats are like magic. They're toasty warm in winter and cool as a cucumber in summer. So imagine yourself on a Danube cruise, drink in hand, gliding past Buda Castle, the Royal Palace, Vigadó Concert Hall, Gellert Hill, and the Budapest Parliament Building. Number 5. Dive into Budapest's ancient charm by venturing into the Buda Castle district, where secrets are woven into an underground tapestry of caves and tunnels. Picture this, a labyrinth born in the Middle Ages, hiding tales of wine cellars, World War II bunkers, and even serving as a prison for none other than Vlad the Impaler. Now grab a guide and get ready for a time-traveling adventure through this underground wonder. As you explore the cave system, the stories unfold of Buda Castle's history and the dance between man and nature that shaped this area over the centuries. It's not just a tour, it's a journey back in time, unraveling the mysteries etched into the rock beneath Budapest's historic heart. Number 6. Picture this. Post-World War II, Budapest's historic Jewish district faced a gloomy fate, with many buildings left in shambles during the Cold War era. But here's where the magic happens. What once lay in ruins now blooms into the vibrant, trendy world of ruined bars. From the outside, they may seem unassuming, but step through the doors and you're in for a wild ride. Roaming through the different levels and rooms, you'll uncover hidden dance studios, quirky antiques, and walls adorned with artwork that'll leave you in awe. These bars are not just watering holes. They're hubs of coolness and uniqueness tucked away underground, waiting for you to discover their outrageous charm. Number 7. Imagine this. A night under the stars, surrounded by the enchanting vibes of Budapest's Rooftop Cinema, a haven for all movie enthusiasts. Since 2013, this cinema has been treating film lovers to open-air screenings at different spots each week, turning a simple movie night into a memorable escapade from the week's chaos. Classics, contemporary gems, and sneak peeks of upcoming releases all flicker on the Rooftop Cinema's screen. And fear not the chilly breeze. They've got you covered with blankets, and snacks are on the menu to complete the cinematic experience. Number 8. Step into the grandeur of the Hungarian State Opera House, a cultural gem in Hungary that beckons lovers of ballet, opera, and classical performances. As the country's largest and most important theater, it's a must-see sight in Budapest, enthralling both locals and tourists with its gorgeous architecture. This architectural masterpiece features a beautiful blend of Neo-Renaissance and Baroque styles, as well as elaborate sculptures and paintings by renowned artists. Since the late 19th century, the Hungarian State Opera House has been a stage for some of the world's most prestigious operatic performances, featuring celebrated Hungarian and international talents. Number 9. In the heart of Budapest, the Budapest Eye, a 213 feet tall Ferris wheel in Erzsébet Square, stands tall and proud, dominating the skyline. Offering an unrivaled view, the Ferris wheel treats riders to a mesmerizing panorama of Budapest's iconic landmarks like St. Stephen's Cathedral, Buda Castle, the Fisherman's Bastion, and the Hungarian Parliament. While it's undoubtedly a tourist magnet, hopping on this giant wheel as the sun sets is undeniably one of the coolest things to do in Budapest. If you're not afraid of heights, the partially open cabins ensure an exhilarating experience. The 8 to 10 minute ride, making 3 circuits, promises a sightseeing adventure, though be prepared for some wait time during peak seasons. It's a small price to pay for the breathtaking scenery that awaits. Number 10. Let's dive into the nightlife scene in Budapest, where the Instant Focus Party Complex stands as a beacon of unforgettable experiences. Born in 2017 from the fusion of 2 beloved ruin bars, Fokes's and Instant, this vibrant hotspot has become the go-to destination for those seeking an epic night out. Picture this, it's now one of Europe's largest clubs, boasting 18 bar counters, 7 dance floors, and 2 charming outdoor gardens, a true paradise for revelers, with a dynamic atmosphere, pulsating energy, and beats that keep you grooving till sunrise. The Instant Focus Complex is a must-visit for anyone looking to dance the night away in Budapest. Closing our Budapest adventure, we've explored some of the city's most captivating and delightful experiences. Yet keep in mind that this is just scratching the surface of all Budapest has to offer. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a culinary adventurer, or someone simply seeking a good time, Budapest has diverse attractions for every type of traveler. Share with us in the comments below which places mentioned above you visited in Budapest, and suggest other cities you'd like us to cover in future adventures. Oh, we almost forgot to mention that Budapest is home to unique quirks too, like the historic Fisherman's Bastion and the impressive Buda Castle. But did you know about the mysterious Budapest labyrinth beneath Buda Castle? It's a hidden gem waiting to be explored. And here is a bonus nighttime adventure: Ghost Train Tour. Take a spooky ride on the Children's Railway, a narrow gauge line winding through Buda Hills. Legend says ghosts of former passengers haunt the tracks. Hold on to your hats and sanity. Thanks for being part of this journey, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more travel insights and fascinating facts. Cheers to happy exploring in Budapest!